Greetings, Garrett, Floating Leaf Studios here for another Wedding Tip Wednesday. Today we want to talk about how to actually get a wedding license. Sometimes these can be a little bit confusing as to how to obtain these and where to go to get them, but we've got all the steps lined out for you today. Here's what you need to know about getting, filling out, and returning your wedding license. First of all, you need to know where to go. What you're looking for is the Clerk of District Court in the county in which you live. It does not have to be the county in which you are getting married. It can be the county in which you live. One of the big questions is, when do you need to get your wedding license? It's good for 6 months up to the date in which you receive it. So your ceremony just has to be within that 6-month time frame at some point. So how do you go about getting it? Well, there's an application that you have to fill out at the Clerk of District Court's office. Both the bride and the groom need to be present with photo ID. They can actually give you the application to take home with you, but when you return it, you both need to be in person and have your photo IDs available. There is a $53 filing fee that goes along with this that can be paid in either cash or check. The whole process takes between 15 to 20 minutes. Run over on your lunch hour, run over after work, and get this whole process figured out. So, how do you fill it out? The piece of paper that you take with you to your wedding requires signatures from multiple people. They need information from your officiant. They need information from at least one witness per side, as well as you and your spouse. The biggest question we get is, do I sign my new name as a bride or do I sign my old name? The answer, sign your new name. This will keep you from having to go back and redo the paperwork once you return it back to the Clerk of District Court. Your wedding license must be returned back to the Clerk of District Court in which you obtained it within 130 days of your ceremony. When you return it, they will give you 2 certified copies that you can take with you, as well as the decorative certificate that you fill out the day of your wedding. Those certified copies then can be taken to the Social Security office, the DMV, anywhere else that you would need to go and actually officially change your name once you've tied the knot. In terms of when you should get your marriage license, we recommend between a month and 2 months prior to your ceremony, so that there's plenty of time to get all the paperwork filled out, as well as returned after your ceremony. For any more information or information about a specific county in the state of Montana, go to your county courthouse, your Clerk of District Court office, and they will be more than happy to help you. For more helpful wedding tips like this, follow us on YouTube and Instagram, and stay tuned next week where we're going to talk about what you need to know while hiring a photographer.